page now. So firstly, I want to define a list. Let it be list itself. I have 3 elements in my list, but irrespective of the number of elements, I want my first element to be in the last place and the last element to be in the first place. So let me define a variable named length here, which is equals to the length of the list. We are using the length function to find the length of the list. Okay. Now I want my first element, that is the element at 0th position, the element of index 0 to be equal to the element of index length minus 1. As we do not have the element up to length, right? We have elements up to length minus 1 as the index starts from 0. Okay. Now I'll just assign list of length minus 1 is equals to list 0. Okay. Now I want to print my list. Yeah, I'll run the program now. Yeah, it has replaced the first element with the last element, but the last element has remained same, right? This is because the list of length minus 1, that is the list of 0, I mean the list at the element at 0th position is equals to 3. When we assign that element to the list, to the element to the last position, it becomes same, right? So I want to assign a temporary variable here to store our element of position 0. Okay, here I'll change this to temporary variable. Okay, I'll run the program again. Yeah, this time we got our elements changed. Now if we change the number of elements to 5, 6, 7, whatever, I'll run it again. Yeah, our last element has been shifted to the first place and the first element has been shifted to the last place. So this is the program. Firstly, we declare and define a list, and then we will find the length of the list and assign it to a variable, and then we'll assign the list, the element of the list at 0th position to a temporary variable, and we assign the element of the list at 0th position to the element at last position, and also finally we assign the element at last position to be equal to the temporary variable, which previously is the element at 0th position. Okay, finally we print the list. Okay, so that's all with the program. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you want more Python programs for and also Python tutorials starting from the beginner level, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you. Bye bye.